Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Yasser, and for today's video it will be quite different because finally I decided to make a random vlogs on my channel. I want it to be more interesting and entertaining for you guys. It's just like when you are cooking food. You want to be more tastier, so you have to add more flavor and spice on it. That's what I want to do right now. And let's start it with the prank. A gift prank to my wife. I've been planning this from long time guys because I know my wife is high blood. Always. We have married for 14 years but I have never tried to prank her even once. Guys, I will bring her annoying gift because every time she's asking gift from me when I am going to work. I am getting crazy because not once, not twice, always when I am going out she's asking something. So let's do it this. I will make her tired every day now. Sweetheart, I am home.
Oh, you come early today.
Yes, I am tired and I have a surprise for you.
Surprise? Is there any
Yes.
occasion?
No, there is no occasion. I just buy something for you. Because I know every day you are asking something when I am going work.
Oh, you
So
realize
today-
something, huh?
Yes, of course, I realize something now. Every day I will bring you something new gift. Okay?
Really?
But promise you have to accept. You don't have to get angry, okay?
It's a gift. Why I will get angry? I'm excited to see
so
it.
take it please and
What
try
is
to
this?
open. Open.
It's a makeup?
Something usable, something
Are
make
you
your,
sure? Are you
yes,
sure?
try.
What's this? Oh, there is a plastic.
Open it, give me the cell phone. Give me cell phone, you will break cell phone.
Potato?
Yes, potato.
What I will do with potato?
Potato. Potato is good for health, sweetheart.
This is your gift for me?
This is gift and this is a dinner also, you see.
I know.
One stone, two birds.
One stone, two birds?
Yes,
Put with potato?
with potato. You want potato, two bird.
Where's the bird?
The bird is die already.
You are making me crazy. I am excited. I thought you were bringing me something special, but it's just a potato. What I will do with this?
Not just a potato, sweetheart. You have to cook with tomato onion and you will see the
So
taste.
you mean to say you bring me gift just for me to cook?
No, it's your gift. You do what you want. It's better you cook. We can eat dinner.
Oh God, I was so excited that you will bring me something special.
You see, you are getting high blood now.
What I will do with potato? Every day I am cooking food.
Oh, I cannot throw now. You can cook later.
You cook.
No,
It's your gift. You cook.
I don't know. Hello, sweetheart. Why door is open today?
Hi, how are you?
I am fine. ¿Cómo está, Gayajan?
How's your day?
Okay. Busy little bit. Why door is open?
I know you're coming, so I keep it open.
And what are you doing? Going somewhere?
No, I'm just fixing myself on trying this new earring.
I am tired too much today.
Why? What happened?
Tired in the
Something wrong?
work. You did not see? I am tired working hard but still bring gift for you. I did not forget.
Oh yes, I know you're bringing something. From the time you enter the room, I can see that you are bringing something.
So I hope you will like this gift today. Take it.
Gift
for you.
again?
Yes.
Gift again? What is this? Potato?
Listen.
Yesterday you just bring me potato. What is this?
It's nothing. It's not oil. Potato can cook without oil also.
So what is it?
This gift?
Are you trying to make me fool again?
No. Who will make you fool? Me? Ako? Hindi pwede, di ba?
Come on, please, for God's sake, okay? Yesterday you bring me potato. So what is this again? What is this?
Gift. Araw-araw bago gift.
You
Para
know what is
sa'yo.
the definition of gift? Gift is something special.
From heart, right? Oh, it's from my heart.
But Don't tell me this is something crazy. Understand? Do
No,
not
no.
make me crazy.
It's something to usable. You will like for sure, 100%. Take it. Take it. I am tired. I want to take a rest also. Open and see.
If this one is something crazy again, please.
No, you don't have to do anything. Give me back if something crazy. I will return and get back my money. No problem. I have a receipt.
I will see. Understand?
Open.
I hope this is something
Special is a special. Yes, it's usable. Every day you can use. Do
Oh,
not
I
get
know.
angry.
What is this?
Agmuna galit, sweetheart. Open na.
I will see now.
You see?
You see? I told you, you are making me fool.
Not me. See, you see. It's notebook usable.
So what I will do with the notebook?
Hey, because sweetheart, you are writing a budget every day, right? So this one, at least 1 month you can use. No need to throw
I
paper
have
there,
many
there,
notebooks there. Okay.
there.
What I will do with this?
Write your budget. You are writing every day, right? So you no need to throw
I
paper.
thought you are
every
bringing
day.
me something that I can use, like a makeup or a perfume or something, but a notebook?
The
My God.
makeup every day. You are letting me. You let me buy before, right? Now I am buying from my heart. I told you every day new gift, special gift, surprise gift every day. This is second day, second gift. Do not get angry.
I'm not getting angry. I just can't use this one. I have notebooks, understand?
I know why you are returning me. Alam ko bakit. Kasi wala no pen, diba? This pen.
You see?
You're right.
You're just trying to make me fool, G, please, for God's sake. Give it to your son. I don't need it.
Are you sure?
I don't need it. Keep it.
I will return.
Okay, keep it. It's
I will
yours.
get back money.
Yes. Give it to your son.
Sure, okay. Do not get angry, huh?
Keep it.
Daddy, thank God. That is not me. I was here like I do.
Hello, sweetheart. How are you?
Yes, how are you?
I am happy because I am bringing gift every day for you.
Oh, yes. I am expecting this
Ar,
already.
ar,
I know
ar,
it. You will
ar.
bring me something today. And it's really special. Oh, yes. I know.
Why? What happened?
From
Listen,
3
before
days.
wait. Before every day you are telling me buy this, right? Now without your asking, I am bringing you something you don't like.
Because, G, from 3 days, you are bringing me something really special.
Oh, you see?
know that?
I told you special
Really
surprise.
special, you
Diba?
know?
Diba?
First, you bring me potato. Second, you bring me a notebook. And today, what you will bring for me, huh?
Surprise!
What you bring for me? Oh,
Surprise
come on.
again.
I knew it.
It's not. It's usable for you. You don't have there on the table. It's something to put on the table and use. Okay, guess what is that?
Please, you are making me a guess. I know already what is that.
What is that?
What, you buy me a perfume?
No. Not a perfume. But something to usable.
Usable. Every day you are bringing me something to use in
Yeah.
the home, not as a gift.
Is a gift. Is what I will buy is of course gift. Buying which one can use something. You want to buy gift. You want me to buy gift. Which one just display?
You should buy me something special. Which one I like? Something
Okay.
like that.
This one 100% you will like. Believe me. Try to open.
You
You
are
will
just
like-
making me fool. From 3 days, you are making me
No,
fool.
I
Understand?
am doing my best to bring you something special every day, and today is really special. And for tomorrow also, I have something in my mind.
Oh, I-
Take, open now. Do not break my heart. I spend money for this.
yes, you are really spending money. I know.
Take.
Oh, please. I know already what
Sige
it is.
na.
You are just making me a fool.
Take it. You will like.
If this again something crazy, please, huh? You don't need to buy anything for
It's
me.
not something crazy. Nothing is just a good. You see? Oh, guess what is that?
Don't tell me you buy me. What is this?
Oh, open and see.
This is your last chance, understand? If this one is something crazy, please, you don't need to buy it.
Last or what I promise you every day I bring you a new gift. Every day new gift. I did my promise.
I don't
Oh,
know if you're
diba?
trying to
O, diba?
make me crazy or make me tired. And besides, you're just putting in the same wrapper every day.
You want me to spend money for wrapper? The gift is inside. You will see wrapper or a gift inside. You
What is
see?
this? What is this?
Powder. Powder. This is missing here. You see? You have a lipstick. You have a makeup kit. Everything. Powder you don't have. You must need alcohol because.
Alcohol, I have alcohol. We have a big alcohol bottle. For what I will need?
But I did not buy for you, right? Today I buy for you as a gift alcohol because of COVID-19.
Crazy, you're crazy,
This,
understand?
you see?
This I can buy myself, understand? There's so many powder and alcohol in the shop.
Why you want to get tired yourself? I buy already for you.
You see, I told you, you're just making me fool from 3 days. You know that?
No, I am buying gift for you. What you like or no? You see? Good husband, right? Diba?
You're just making me fool, understand? You're making me tired, understand?
Tomorrow still every
What?
day, every day.
Tomorrow you will bring something new again? What you will bring me a spray for cockroach?
Ay nako. How you know that I will
Ah.
bring this tomorrow?
Please, please, for God's sake, G, I am begging you.
This is
please,
no good, G.
please.
Now you make me high blood because
You
you,
know
break
what?
break up
I
my
appreciate your effort. Thank you so much. Okay, you are so kind. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Please,
Always.
I'm begging you.
Tomorrow again.
Tomorrow, please, don't bring me anything. Understand?
Are
I
you
don't
sure?
need- Yes, thank you, thank you. You don't need to give me
Not
any
that
gift.
after 1
From,
week you
from
will.
tomorrow, you don't need to bring me any gift. You are free. I will never ask anything from you.
Are you
Understand?
sure? Promise.
Yes, please, please,
Okay.
please. Thank you.
As you like.
Thank you for being kind.
Okay,
Thank you.
prepare a coffee for me.
Thank you.
Can you prepare coffee for me?
Okay,
I'm tired.
I will make it hard.
So guys, you see what happened now. She's angry already too much. She's too much angry right now. I have to let her know that it's a prank only, because not I told her to prepare coffee for me. She's preparing coffee, but I don't want her to put some salt or a chili on it. So I will call her. Sweetheart, come here please. I have a surprise for you. Is please 1 minute.
I told you, okay, please.
Come. Come here. Come here. Do not prepare coffee. Oh, come here. What happened to you? What happened? What happened? Why you are angry?
I have enough already today, understand? It's okay.
No, come. What happened? Why you are high blood? I buy a gift for you. What is the problem?
You already destroy my mood, understand? You just make me fool. From 3 days continue you're making
Okay.
me fool.
No more food, okay? There is no problem. I buy gift for you. If you don't like, sorry for that. But it's just, I just make a prank with you. You see that?
What?
You see it on camera.
Where?
Oh, there.
Stupid my God.
Just want to see your reaction.
You mean to say this whole time, from 3 days, you are just pranking me with your gift?
Yes.
Oh, you know that you're...
All reaction is there in the camera. You see your reaction yourself. What you did.
You're just making me crazy, you know that? You're just pranking me. My
Say
goodness.
something. Say something.
What I will say something?
Why is your camera is on? Say something to my video. It's my first prank black with you.
Please, okay, you're my...
Say something so I will get some view, some entertainment to my views. Again, now you close my video now.
What I will close? You just pranked me this whole time. This is not good. This is not good, guys, huh? This whole time he's just pranking me. My God, I thought he is bringing me something really special. But look, it's just a prank. Okay, thank you. Please, guys, next time, don't ever ask anything from your husband because he will just make you crazy. Okay? Thank you. Thank you so much. I knew it. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, I will give you another opportunity. You close my video and say subscribe my channel and like our video and some comment, something in your professional way.
In your professional way after pranking me.
Or everybody will watch you.
Oh my God. Okay, guys, don't forget to subscribe my husband's channel and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified in the next upcoming videos. Okay? Give it a like and a share. Thank you for watching.
Thank you guys.
I hope
See
you
you.
enjoy his prank.
See you on my next video.
You and me.